Welcome back to another video. If you're watching this video, you're going to basically see how my mom styles my hair after it is taken out of a bonnet. So many styles you can do. I don't want to keep y'all long because it's going to be super quick, and then plus it's a giveaway at the end, so you have to stay tuned to the end to hear about this giveaway. A chance to win some hair, girl. Yes, the hair that I have in my head. So stay tuned and keep watching this video.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it, real one, ain't nothing to it.
Alright, so this is style number 3 that you would do with this hairstyle. So many styles that you can do. It is crazy, y'all. So all my mom is doing is curling this hair with the ponytail part, and then she's flat ironing the hair down below, so half up, half down, and that's the style. This is style number 3. She's going to put a clip in the middle, basically, so it can have some like umph to it. With this look, it's so pretty. I did a live on this, so if you missed it, it's up. So yeah, that's all she did. So please stay tuned, keep watching this video till the end. There is a hair giveaway, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Is a giveaway on Klaiyi hair styles. This style is so versatile. So what Klaiyi did was they sent hair over here so that you all can have. Now I will pick one lucky winner. I will do it through a generator only because that's only fair, and the only thing that you have to do is you will have to go follow them first. You have to follow Klaiyi hair, then you have to follow me, which is at Marie with 3 underscores. Also has to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is right here, which we're on right now. And also you will have to basically put down below Klaiyi enter me, spelled just like this. I think I'm saying it right. Klaiyi here. But anyways, you're gonna get the same exact bundles as me. 3 packs of straight hair. I think this is Peruvian. Yeah, 3 packs of straight Peruvian hair. If it's not Peruvian, I will leave the description below, girl. But it's some good hair. 3 bundles is 2 18 inches and a 16 inch, and then you have a lace frontal, y'all. So you know, who doesn't want free hair? And I will personally be sending it off myself. So